In this video, I will guide you how you can get a Chinese display name in Roblox. So first of all, you just need to click on your three dots and head over to your settings and click on this accounts info. Now once you are in the account info, you need to make sure to go for the display name. But right now, what you need to do is to simply scroll down until you see the option of language and make sure to select the Chinese, which is this one right here. Now once you have selected it, next step is you need to open up any browser that you're using and simply type your particular name just like so. Now once you do so, you just need to make sure to copy and simply go back and click on your accounts info again, and then you just need to go for your display name, simply paste your particular name. Now if it is showing you the error, you need to make sure to go with the name that has more characters. So right now I have changed my name recently, so I cannot show you further process as it is only 7 days ago. So you just need to click on confirm and you are good to go, and then you just need to head over to your language again, and then you can simply select your English language from this list, which will be on the top of your screen. So that's the way of how you can change your name to Chinese in Roblox.